Thank you for visiting our classrooms and beyond at Open House 2022. We hope you enjoyed touring our campuses. From our residences to our labs and lecture theaters, our salon, spa, energy center, emergency training center, and student-managed farm, powered by New Holland, we know that interactive learning environments lead to deeper connections and more confident leaders. Our instructors, support services teams, and advisors, we're happy to connect with you and to show you how a Lakeland education prepares you for the real world. Our students were excited to meet you and to share what they are enjoying most about their Lakeland experience. Thank you for joining us to learn about our 50-plus programs and how our hands-on approach to education prepares you to graduate job-ready. 98% of our students said they're satisfied with their Lakeland education. We're confident you will be too. We can't wait to welcome you back to campus on your first day.